In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Chartmill, Value Indicator, and Random Walk Index in TradingView Pro Quick and Easy Guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any chart will work. It can be stocks, crypto, Forex, or Value Forex, whatever you usually trade. Once your chart is visible, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It is usually near the timeframe options and drawing tools. Go ahead and click that Indicators button to open up the Indicators and Strategies window. When the window pops up, you will see a search bar at the very top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator you want to add. Click into that search bar so your cursor is active and you are ready to type. Using the search bar is much faster than scrolling through long lists, and it also helps make sure you pick the exact indicator you are looking for. Now, in that search field, start typing Chartmill Value Indicator. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering the results. When you see Chartmill Value Indicator show up in the list below, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually as an overlay on the price. Give it a moment to load, and you should see the new visual elements appear on your screen. Next, while you are still in the Indicators window, or by reopening it with the same Indicators button, click back into the search bar. This time, type Random Walk Index. Again, as soon as you see Random Walk Index appear in the results, click it. This indicator will typically show up in a separate panel below your main price chart, similar to how an RSI or MACD would display. Once both indicators are on your chart, you will want to adjust the settings so they match your trading style. To do that, hover your mouse over the name of each indicator either on the chart itself or in the list on the left side. You will see a small gear icon for settings. Click that gear to open the settings panel. Here you can change inputs like lengths or smoothing, update colors to make them easier to read, and decide how they appear on your screen. Take a moment to tweak these until they are clear and not cluttering your chart. Finally, if you have not already signed up for TradingView Pro and you want to follow along with the exact same tools and layout, use the link I have provided in the description of this video. That link will take you directly to the sign up page so you can get started quickly with the Pro features and make full use of these indicators in your own analysis.